Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Learn channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about many objects and their different shapes from 4th class first chapter in the maths. Okay, here I am going to show you some objects which are using in our daily life. First one, textbook. Next, dice form object like. Next, have you ever lifted? Next, cork. And next one, Fevicol bottle. Next, dice, matchbox. This one, staple pin box. And these are, you know already. And next, marker pens. Okay, look at these objects. These all are in the same shape only, huh? Not like that, no? Some are in different shapes. For example, this one is totally rounded, like ball. So in our daily life, like this shape, which objects are there? For example, laddu, and so many things are there, like this. Okay, here now, shall we categorize these objects depending on their shapes? Let's try. Okay, first, book shape objects. What are their book shape objects? First, textbook, and here I have one box. Next, this one also same in the shape of textbook only. And in our daily life, bricks, boxes, trunk boxes, so many are there. Almara, these all are in the shape of textbook only. Next, ball like shaped objects. This one you know now. These two are in the ball shape only. And also laddu, these type of all things in the shape of ball. Next, these things are in the same shape only now, like this. This one. Next, marker pens, Fevicol bottle. These are in the same shape. Next, cone shape objects, cork, here like ice cream cone. These all are in the same shape only. And also birthday cap, these all are in the cone shape. Next, dice shape objects. For example, this one. It is looking alike now. Yeah. Next, one more thing. This one also in the same shape only. And dice. These all are in the same shape. Now, we saw different type of objects. Ball shape, textbook shape, brick shape. Next, ice cream cone shape. Next, box shape, and like a cylinder shape. Just now only we saw these all things. Now, what are the shape of those objects? Do you know? what we call these all things. Now we saw many objects in our daily life. Now in our textbook also, here given some objects. Let's try to know this. First one, do you know this? This one is ball. This one matchbox. This one ball shape. This one textbook shape. Now only we said now. And this one ice cream cone. Ice cream cone shape. What is this one? Birthday hat. Next, biscuit box. And here tube given. Here trunk box, carrot, spinning top, textbook, laddu. This one can, dice, and drum, cube, ice cube, flute, brick, ice cream cone, and this one log. So these all are these all objects we can see in our daily life. So from this one, some are in the same shape only, like here ball, here laddu, are in the same shape only. And next, here matchbox, trunk box, and here textbook. These three in the same shape only. Next, here tube given, and here flute, here log, here drum, and can. These all are in the same shape only. Next, carrot, birthday cap, spinning top, ice cream cone. These all are have same shape. Next, ice cube, dice, cube, here biscuit box. These all have the same shape. From these all things we have some objects similar shapes. Let's then categorize. First one. Okay, here given. Categorize these objects based on their shapes. Also, extend this list based on objects you see around you. Okay, first, ball like. What shapes are there? Ball like. Ball, laddu, and this one. Now here I am going to write each one two examples. First, ball, laddu. Now, brick like. Brick like means textbook, trunk box, and also matchbox. Textbook and trunk box. And matchbox also. Next, dice like. Dice, and here ice cube, cube. Dice, ice cube, and Cute. Next, Joker hat like ice cream cone, spinning top. So many there. Here I am giving just two examples. And drum like. Drum like means here we have drum, can, here log, Joker hat means here carrot also came. Next drum like means log and can, flute, and also tube also comes. Here I am writing flute. Okay, here for each one I am giving just 2 or 3 examples. You can continue with more examples. Now here we have some questions. First one, think and discuss. Do we roll them or slide them? So from these objects, what are given here, what we write here, from these objects, which one we can move by using by roll, and which one we can move by slide. Okay, here first question, does a ball roll? Do all ball shaped objects roll? Does a ball roll? Tell me, a ball can roll or not? For example, what is there here? Ball shaped objects means. So this one also same in the shape of ball only. We can roll this? Yeah. Here to here it can move by rolling. So our answer is yes. Does a ball roll? Yes, a ball can roll. Do all ball shaped objects roll? Yes or no? Obviously yes, but some objects can roll speedily, but some objects can move slowly. But every ball shaped objects can roll. Next, here, second question. How many ways can we move a suitcase from one place to another? How many ways can we move a suitcase from one place to another? And can we roll it for moving it from one place to another? Can we roll it for moving it from one place to another? First of all, how many ways can we move a suitcase? For example, here I am taking this one also, instead of having the same shape, a box. Now, how can we move this? Yeah, this one also in the shape of suitcase only. For example, here it is. Now we have to move this one to another place, means move forward. First, we can move like this. Otherwise, we can move like this. But is it rolls like a ball? Now, just now only we saw ball can roll like this, but this one cannot roll. So here what given? Can we roll it for moving it from one place to another? We can't roll this because it is not in the shape of ball. It doesn't have curved surface. Means ball has like curved surface, but this one flat surface. That's why we can't roll them. Next question, can objects with a drum-like shape be rolled? Can they also slide? First, test the rolling. Drum-like shape means here I have Fevicol bottle. Okay. Okay, this can roll or not? Yes, it's rolling. Now, coming to the slide, this can also slide. Means drum-like shaped objects roll and also slide in the same way. Next, why some objects can only be rolled? Why some only slide? Why some objects can be rolled and slide them? Okay. When we take a staple pin box, it is also in the shape of brick. So just we can move it by slide only. We can't roll this. But when we come to ball shape objects like this, we can roll them. So what is the difference? What is the difference between these two objects? This one only slide, this one only roll. And coming to the cylinder shape objects, this one roll and also slide at the same time. What is the difference? Why they are moving like this? Means the reason is here. This one have only flat surface. Wherever you see, this one all flat surface. And this one totally it has curved surface. And this one here curved surface and also here flat surface. Here and here. So this one roll and also slide. But ball-like shape objects only can roll. And brick shape objects only slide. This is the main reason. That's why some objects can roll, some objects can slide, and some objects can roll and slide.